Hello, today is the 13th of April 2011, and this is the third video log for the day, and most likely the final one. I'll go over this fairly quick. At the end of the day, on Monday and Tuesday, I was stating a few things, and on Monday I was saying for the short term, the most likely scenario was that we would move sideways in a consolidation without taking out the lows or the highs and stay within the 40 to 41 and a half level. And just wait for the message of the market. We'll go over that in a little while. And then yesterday, I didn't want to. It was in a trend where it just has to break either to the upside or the downside. It's still in that trend, but I said I wouldn't predict. I will. Oh, sorry, I will predict that there'd be more volatility and a decent chance that the original breakout would be the failure, and thus a break below the 39.75 or moving up, you'd be going to the 41 level. All right, so here's what the chart looks like. As far as moving sideways, that's pretty much exactly what happened. Now the 41.50 level, obviously, no, it's the 40.75. And it probably would have been a better level even to pick in here, or with a 61.8%, just a bit below the 41.50 as an area where the expected range would have been. It's very common when you have a big move and then the follow through, high volume, high volatile selling like this, that you just take a breather. And as far as the way we're moving this chart right now, it's one of those almost like a D-Day kind of decisions, as I like to call it, where you're very neutral. I don't know what word I should use, like congested. The energy is okay. We're really close to having what looks to be that of a big move, which would obviously be to the downside or the upside. Now we can still continue to trade in some sort of range for a little bit longer, as it's only starting the trend of sideways consolidation. 40 is the obvious support level, and even up to the 80 cents mark. It's in that area. But right now, that's the current trend. As we see it here within the 5, the first consolidation hit was support, and it had an okay rally. A long sideways consolidation, but the rally wasn't as big as the first one, so that can indicate the weakness. At the same point, the entire duration could be that correction, which does spark it lower, hence the reason why you'd have a big move either up and, of course, down, because the support is been there for so long. As I was stating, this move is lower than this, and a break below here often spells a really fast move to here. And the break of this obviously is what would trigger the change of reversal from the original move from here down towards this level in here. Now, as far as the volatility is concerned, I was stating higher volatility, or the volatility would continue, and it pretty much has. At the same point, this index that I've been using is pretty much in maybe moving into some sort of range, and it's really not an index. It's just math calculations that give me the numbers, basically. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day.